Hi, Taylor Hawes here from Colorado Realty and Property Management. What I want to chat with you about today is why you should get started with a professional property management company now versus waiting out the storm. There's going to be some serious changes to our industry, our community, and our state as a whole as Governor Jared Polis implements his next phase of his three-phase plan for COVID-19. What we foresee happening is in the next 2 to 4 months, there's going to be a huge surplus of rental properties on the market because people have decided to wait out the storm. And now as the smoke has cleared, they're ready to go ahead and list their property. And so what we see happening is that rental prices are going to come down and days on market is going to increase because demand on the tenant side is going to be lower. We foresee the demand on the tenant side being lower because a lot of tenants have been renewing their leases or going month to month during these uncertain times. Specifically in our portfolio, we have seen a ton of renewals going on as tenants just don't want to move. So we do not recommend waiting. We definitely recommend getting started today so that you can utilize the tenants that are serious about needing a place to live right now. On an average week, we do about 40 unassisted code box showings, and kind of with what's been going on with COVID-19, we're down to about 15 to 20 unassisted code box showings per week. So the beauty of that reduced number is that you weed out a lot of the people that aren't serious. Maybe they're looking for 6 months from now. They're more of the looky-loos, and you really get down to the nitty-gritty of the people that need a place to live now. They are ready to fill out an application and sign a lease. And so the beauty of our services is that we do have those unassisted code box showings in place so that we can still continue to show property during these uncertain times and limiting person-to-person contact as much as possible. We also have an electronic application and lease signing process so that our future tenants can complete that from the safety of their own homes. With these vacant properties, we're also able to complete the make-ready and move-in process so our tenants can move into their new homes and have a successful move-in. We also recommend that you get started now versus waiting till later, as there's going to be a much higher demand for our vendors. If you're someone that has plans to repaint or recarpet or maybe put some new flooring in, well, it's going to be on a first come first basis with our vendors of what projects are going to be completed based off of who's next in the queue. So I would certainly not want you to get started later and then have to wait several more weeks just because our vendors are all tied up with pre-existing projects. So if you are holding on to your property right now and looking to wait out the storm and it is vacant and could have a tenant in there as early as next week, I recommend that you give us a call so that we can get started on our processes to get you a high quality tenant that hopefully is going to stay long term, take great care of your property, and so that we can get you a great return on your investment. Thanks so much. Bye.